And today we were going to do some coyote stuff, but another car pulled up. And actually, we've got a special guest on the channel right here.
What's going on, guys?
And look at this thing. Yes, this car will be on the channel. This is Ken, the man.
How's it going?
My bro. Rocking the 2018. Got the GT350 wheels on it.
Yes, sir.
So,
the stalker's had to go.
Keep an eye out. We're going to do some shenanigans in this bad boy because she's sexy. But what we're actually going to do today is go look at another car. If you caught the upload the other day, the 3 of the cars are leaving, and we got a line on another one. So what we're going to do right now, go check this thing out, see what's up. So let's roll.
Moving forward.
This is what happens when it rains forever. Can't even hardly back up to the trailer. Check it out. Needs to come over just a little bit. Get this trailer loaded up. A little more. And good. Loaded up. We got Ken back there. We got Dover. We got yours truly. We are going to check out this. Do you even know what year it is?
90-ish or so.
It's a red notch. Looks to be the same color as mine, but I'm gonna check this thing out because the herd's been thinning, and I know Jeremy will not sleep well if he has anything less than like 7 foxes in the yard. So yeah, it's a beautiful day. Might as well do it. So let's roll. All right, guys, so we made it up here, found the car. Looks like Jeremy's gonna buy it. It's got a few spots on it, but I mean, overall, it's gonna be a killer little project. Got a little spot on the trunk lid right here. Red interior car. Now, I need somebody to help me with this, okay? You see the top of the dash and the bottom of the dash and the steering wheel are all red. Now, from everything that I've ever seen, read, know about, that was for 93 only. And I asked the guy, I said, you sure it's not a 93? He said, no, it's a 92. And sure enough, it is a 92, but it's got the red airbag. Now, I highly doubt anybody's gonna swap those out just because why would you even bother? But I thought that was a 93 only thing. Help me out, shoot me a comment down below if you know. But anyway, here is the car. It is rough, obviously, but it actually starts and runs. So this one's gonna be a good score, and who knows what we're gonna do with this one, but perfect coupe body. It's the same color, ironically, as my 92. So yeah, snatch this one up. Saw the last video of the car we picked up. We actually had to drag it on the trailer because there was no wheels. Check this out. Yeah, not only does it roll, it runs. Look at Dover in there. Little 2.3 still kicking. Probably won't hit 80 miles an hour, but it is running.
tearing on the edge of this one, so I was like, come back over here.
Okay, so the question we got to ask now, Jeremy, what are we going to do with this car?
Sell it.
Sell it? Yeah, all the other ones got sold. Of course, I was reading the comments about that 86 that we got last time, and, you know, truth be told, I was thinking Jeremy shouldn't buy it, but he did, and obviously now it's going to a new home. It's going to get built up, so that's a good thing. Now, as far as this car, I don't know. I've kind of got a soft spot for it already because it's the same color as mine. Yeah, I definitely, you're right. I do need a coupe. So, it's rough. It's gonna need some work, but which one done? What do you think, Ken? Should I buy it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
See, Ken, actually, I haven't really truly got to introduce you to Ken, but he's got his Coyote swap in the works too, plus he's got the 18, so we'll be seeing more of Ken on the channel, I promise you. And we're going to get Ken's channel kicked off, so keep an eye out for that. I'll have a link in the description once we get his channel going. So Ken's going to do killer stuff with the 18.
Hopefully.
Definitely. All right, guys, so we got it loaded up and going to head back to the land of the forgotten Fox bodies. What do you think, Jeremy? Good score?
Great.
Now we just got to get out on this country road. And yes, the chances of this car getting sold really quick exist. I don't know what it is. Every car we show on the channel and post up on the Instagram and the Facebook pages end up selling in like a week. So yes, we're gallantly trying to save every Fox body possible, but they all end up getting sold. So hopefully the people that are buying them are doing good things with them. If not, we're coming back for them. Okay, so just like the last time, we're Fox spotting again. How long's it been since you were out here, Jeremy? Saw that car?
About 2 years ago. I think they drive it.
You can even see it. Boy, it is rough. Good Lord, it's rough. There it is. Trailer hitch and all.
Original paint, what's left of it.
Yeah. So eventually, we're going to buy every single Fox body in this region. We'll own every one of them. If you caught the video where we went and drug the coupe up on the trailer, and that car that was sitting there that was actually a 5.0 car, I promise you someday on the channel we're going to go over and knock on that door and we might get shot at. I don't know, but stay tuned for that one because it'll be good. So yeah, got the car home. Oh God. Got the car home, and yes, we'll fire it up. Listen to that turd. Holy God. Hold on, Jeremy. Will it do a burnout? You know, any car that comes home that's running, we have to do a burnout. So, let's see here. Will it do a burnout? Ken, what do you think? Burnout?
I think it will.
Let's see. Yeah! Oh, there's one. Yep, it's a tradition here. Any car that comes to this driveway has to do a burnout. So Ken, you do know. You've got the 18 here. You got to do the burnout when you leave. So there you go, guys. Another car picked up. Not sure what the future for this little hoopty is going to be, but it's going to be bright. And as I said, we'll have some 2018 content because, yeah, we need some variety on the channel. So we'll put Ken's magnetic gray 2018, see how she does. Car's ridiculous. The color in the sun is amazing. Anyway, guys, that is what's up. Another car home, and gonna be having a lot more. Just kind of mix up the content a little bit, and you don't want to see us sanding every single video. So, but anyway, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, and they're making fun of me. Later, guys.